Okay na? So good. Tapos na ba? Okay. Okay. Let's start the ball game. Jeff. Rebound right there. Easy to from the rebound. Number 23, Navarro, dire-diretso, pinangga. No good. Foul committed. No easy layup. Sa kuponan na to. Jello, pinasa kay number 21. Pull up. 1 out of 2. 2 point. All 2. Okay. Jel. Another point. No good. Rebound by Jel again. Binigay kay Jel. Number 4. Number 19 for the 3. No good. Number 7. 1 out of 2. What a rebound. Okay. Black shirt. Mr. Black shirt. Binigay kay Jello. Binigay kay number 23. Attempting for a 3. Pero peke lang pala yun. Floater. Easy to from the perimeter. Jel. Handles the ball. Jel. Behind the back. Pero inagawa ni number 23. Number 23 with a 360. No good. The best. Kinaliwa. No good. Kuha ni Black Shirt. Kinoni. Lake Show. Kaliwa. Binalik kay number 23. Number 23. Extra pass. Napunta kay number 27. Mid-range. No good. Okay. Hawak yung ball. Number 4. Handling the ball. Kaliwa. Binigay kay number 78. Attempting mag-ano. Gumit na pero steal. Number 23. Extra pass. Lecho. Pinasa. Binalik kay number 23. Side step. Pasa. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Jem. Pull up 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. Binigay kay Jem. Nastilan ulit ni number 23. Grabe pag-steal to. Number 27. Dire-diretso. Binigay kay Lecho. Lecho for 3. No good. Tapik. Okay, hawak ni number 19. Nakuha ulit ni number 21. Binalik ni number 23. 4 for 1. Uy, off the board. Grabe. LeBron James. Number 78. Binigay Jem. No good. Ginawa ni Jel. Rebound by number 21. Pero nakuha ulit ni Jem. Ni number 21. Binigay kay Jello. Strong black shirt. Speed move. Binigay sa counter. Ay, kalaban. Number 4. 78. Big. Floater 2. 6-4. Dalawa lang po ang kalamangan. 8 minutes and 20 seconds left. Jello handles the ball. Binigay kay number 21. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23 for 3. Paso! Number 23 doing it everything. On the offensive end. Pero binigay kay number 19. Babawi ba? No good. Rebound by Jello. Binigay kay number 23. Dire-diretso. 23. Back to back. No good. Rebound by number 78. Number 78. Binigay kay number 7 for 3. No good. Nakuha ni number 78. Attempting for a 3 again. No good. Ikaw ulit. Number 78. Wala talaga. Number 23 with the rebound. Kanan, sabay, pinitpitan. No good. Number 19. Pinasa kay number 78. Binigay kay Jem. Jem. Crossover. Step back. Binigay kay Jem. Pull up. No good. 9-4 ang score. Lima po ang kalamangan. 7 minutes and 10 seconds left po. Number 21. Handling the ball. Binigay kay Black Shirt for three. No good. Ooh, what a save by number 23. Binigay kay number 21. Pull up. So, from the pass. 11-4. Pito po ang kalamangan. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Number 78.
Tatla.
Binigay kay number 19. Side step. No good. Number 21. Binigay kay number 23. Number 23, binigay kay Black Shirt. Black Shirt handling the ball. Binigay kay number 22. Okay, setting us a play, setting us screen. Okay. Number 23, pinasa kay Jello. Pinasa kay Lecho. 24-7 violation, pero good. Nastilan. Binigay kay number 78. Attempting for a three. No good. Black Shirt, binigay kay Jello. Jello pinasa kay Lecho. Lecho for three. No good. Number 19. Handling the ball. Dire-diretso. 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 Loose ball. Nakuha naman ang Black Shirt. Pinawa number 23 pero screen by number 78. Behind the back. Side step. Nice pass. No good.
Ayan.
Number 19. Steal by Jem. Up. Good ball. Good. Jem. Crossover sa kanan. Side step. Pero huli by Jello. Attempting pass break. Pero nakuha ulit ng number 78. 78. Extra pass to number 19. Extra pass ulit. So good. Number 23. Floater sa 3. So good. Number 78. Binigay kay Kiel. Kiel for 3. No good. Rebound by number 21. Number 21. Puta sa kaliwa. Side step. No good. Number 7. Binigay kay number 78. Number 78. On the right side. Screen by Jem. Extra pass by Gel. Fade away. No good. Black Shirt. Pinasa kay number 23. 4 minutes and 35 seconds left. Grabe. Coast to coast. 2 points by number 23. Number 78 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 23. Pinasa kay number 21. Up. Good. Number 21. Behind the back. Pull up. No good. Rebound by number 78. Binigay kay Jem. Jem loose ball. Nakuha ni number 23. 4 minutes and 3 seconds left. Number 23, binigay kay Lecho. 2 points by Lecho. Number 78, handling the ball. Pula paso! 7:15, walo po ang kalamangan. 3 minutes and 42 seconds left. Binigay kay Lecho. Lecho from the mid-range. Paso! 11 po ang kalamangan. 2 points by Lecho. Number 78, dire-diretso. Huli! Rebound by Jeff. No good. Number 23, handling the ball. Standing for 3, sa palayot. Off kick, rotot, pula, paso! 96, 30 po ang kalamangan. Ito nakakatalo ba sa squad na ito? Number 19, no good. 23, on the right side. Pinasa ka number 21, no good. No good. Squad number 19. Pinonis, number 78, binigay kay Jem. Okay, Jem, yung mo sa big man. the step back. Beastman moving golf move. Number 21, 11 pa rin po ang kalamangan. 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. Ubus oras na ba ito? Makakahabol pa kaya ang Team A or Team B rather. For 3, no good. Rebound by Black Shirt. Attention from me as well, number 7. Binigay kay number 78 behind the back. 78. All rolls. 19-10. 2 minutes left. 2 minutes left. 18-second shot clock. Alright. 10-second shot clock. 9 po ang kalamangan. Pinasa kay Rachel. 14. Jello, pinasa kay number 23. Extra pass. Mid-range. Rebound by Jello. Rebound by Black Shirt. Dalawa sila doon. 1 minute and 20 seconds left. Pass break. Abot na abot by number 23. Number 23 for 3. No good. Rebound by number 7. Binigay kay number 78 to number 19. Number 19. Uy! Spin move. No good. Late show. 1 minute left for 3. No good. Sinave yung bola. Number 19. Handling the ball. Kanan. Pick. Tinira. No good. Rebound by Giel. Pero converted to a 2. Ito po ang kalamangan. 40 seconds left. 40 seconds left. Alright.
Nakalita lang. Hindi ako papagat. Eh, na mamamaya eh.
Congratulations, Team B.